Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to replace tailgate handle on a Toyota Tundra. Start by opening the tailgate and removing the inner trim panel to access the handle fasteners and linkage. Keep a tray for bolts and inspect the latch and connectors for wear. Use the correct screwdriver and socket sizes to avoid stripping hardware. Test the latch operation before reinstalling the trim to confirm successful replacement. Begin by supporting the tailgate in an open position and removing interior trim clips carefully to avoid breaking them. Access the handle mounting bolts and unplug any lock actuator wiring before unbolting the handle assembly. Remove the linkage rod from the handle clip and note its orientation for reassembly. Keep fasteners organized and compare the new handle to the old one to ensure proper fit before proceeding. If this video is helping you, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker, which makes hands-free music and voice commands perfect for working in the garage. It pairs well with tools and timers and adds convenience while you repair your truck. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Position the new handle and insert mounting bolts, tightening them snugly while avoiding over-tightening that could warp the handle. Reconnect the linkage rod and actuator connector, then operate the handle and lock to confirm smooth movement and correct engagement. If adjustments are needed, loosen bolts slightly and realign the linkage until the latch operates reliably. Once satisfied, reinstall the trim panel and secure all clips and fasteners for a clean finish.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.